Here we are. Here we are down at the boat club. Just before the big sail. Everybody's coming down now. Get ready. Little kid. Tricycle or whatever. There's Curtis. There's a guy's name I can never remember. Hi. Little girl. Everybody's gonna be a great day. Yeah. We're leaving.
Well, it's not far down to paradise. At least it's not foamy. And if the wind is right, you can sail away and find tranquility. Oh, the canvas can do miracles.
I'll put you in my blockbuster movie.
It's not far to Never Land. Reason to pretend. And if the wind is right, you can find the joy. Innocence again. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see. Believe me. Sailing takes me away.
This one for you, Jen.
Where I've always
We are being towed now, as you can see. Lots of fun.
All caught up in the reverie. Every word is a symphony. Won't you believe me? Sailing takes me away to where I've always heard it. Just a dream of the wind to carry me. Soon I will be free.
No.
We left him out of nowhere on the ocean, all by himself. I think he wants to do it. Really? Otherwise I would motor. True sailor. Oh, he has a motor with him. Oh, an electric. But yeah, but batteries. Oh God, I think since having their second kid, this is probably his first time alone in 6 months.
You mean no family support, no cooking, no nothing, everything himself?
Well, we left him a chocolate there.
How are we doing there? What's the name of your friend?
His name's Dinner.
All right, we got some more here. Look at that, eh? Wow. Compliments to this kind gentleman. What's your name, sir?
Ryan.
Tom, Ryan.
Hi, Tom.
Thanks for the
yeah.
crowds, man.
You're welcome.
Awesome.
That's what's coming for you.
Slow camera now. You push and then nothing happened now.
Pretty big
Quick
crab.
video.
All right.
You gonna hold him, Daniel?
Look at that, eh? Nice crab. Nice crab.
You want to touch them? Touch them right here. You feel how hard they are?
How soft that is, Daniel?
Yeah. Pretty neat, eh?
Shake hands with them?
This hand, you can shake
Yeah,
this hand.
that hand.
Don't go so fast.
Crack them, open some.
There we go. Now we're doing the video. Yeah. Yeah, the Academy Awards.